Representatives of statutory auditor, secretarial auditor, and scrutinizer have also joined the meeting. There are 9 resolutions to be placed at the AGM, out of which 4 are ordinary resolution and 5 are special resolutions. There will be no proposer and seconder as the meeting is held by electronic means. The results will be declared within 2 working days as per the statutory norms. Q&A session for the members who have registered themselves as speaker will open once all the resolutions set forth in the notice are being tabled. The speakers may please keep their queries and questions in brief. I would now request Chairman Sir to take the proceedings further.
Thank you. As the notice convening the meeting has already been circulated to all the members, I take it as read. Before we get on to the formal agenda in the notice, just a few highlights. Growth has been aggressive over the last several years. Aggressive from a top line perspective, even more aggressive from a bottom line perspective. And last year, we ended the year with 736 crores of revenue and 185 crores of net profit. The first quarter of this year, the revenue was at 163.3 crores and the PAT margin was 27%. This compares to 21% of last year. We've taken an aggressive approach of investing in content, in new music, in creating derivatives, in creating cover versions of a huge and invaluable repertoire, of entering into the business of live events, of taking Udly to web series, and expanding and technologically innovating Carvaan into newer and newer formats. We have successfully, after several years, re-established and reclaimed the spot of the #1 music company in the country. We've grown aggressively on regional music, and we now lead most of the regional languages. And we will continue to grow very aggressively in all the languages. It's a young, lean, efficient, driven management team. It's a team which has got used to delivering. And if I may say so, it's a team which has got addicted to delivering. And I'm fairly confident that we will continue to deliver strong results, strong bottom lines, strong growth as we go along. With that, I come to the formal items on the notice. Item number 1 is an ordinary resolution which pertains to the audited standalone and consolidated financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 23, along with reports of the directors and auditors thereon. Item number 2 is an ordinary resolution which pertains to taking on record the payment of interim dividend of ₹3 per equity share for the said period. For item number 3, I'm going to hand over the chair to Vikram.
Thank you, Dr. Goenka. Item 3, the following ordinary resolution pertains to reappointment of Mrs. Preeti Goenka as a director of the company. Resolved that Mrs. Preeti Goenka, date 051999069, who retires by rotation at this meeting and being eligible offers herself for reappointment, be and is hereby appointed as director of the company. Now I will request Dr. Goenka to take the chair for the further proceeding.
Thank you, Vikram. Item number 4 is an ordinary resolution pertaining to the ratification of remuneration of cost auditors, Messrs. Showman Banerjee. Item number 5 is a special resolution which pertains to the variation in the remuneration payable to Mr. Vikram Mehra, DIN number 03556680, Managing Director of the company. Item number 6 is a special resolution which pertains to the place for keeping and inspection of registers and returns of the company at its registrar and transfer agent's office in Mumbai instead of the registered office. Item number 7 is a special resolution which pertains to the creation of mortgage and charge of the assets, and it's an approval under section 181A of the Companies Act. Item number 8 is a special resolution which pertains to the approval for incorporating amendments to the ESOP scheme for more efficient administration. Item number 9 is a special resolution for amending the pool under the ESOP scheme 2013. I will now invite the shareholders who have pre-registered themselves to give their comments. Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta.
Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders. My name is Manoj Gupta. Namaskar. Look, first of all, I thanks to you and your entire team for the good and excellent result of the company for the year 22-23. And we have got a good return in the stock market also. Now you have fulfilled under your chairman's A, B, C, D, E. A for appreciation. Bonus is due, but you have given a good price connect with bonus. So we have got a good return. D for dividend, E for EPS is good. So A, B, C, D, E you have fulfilled in the stock market of SAREGAMA after split the shares. And we have got a good return as a small investors. That your smile says that you have good return to the investor. And you have also good return. But you take water, sir. You take water. I'm sorry, I have not seen that you are taking water. Sorry. But anyway, I wish to God to give you more success and the share price should be in 4-digit in future because you have the monopoly, all legend singers. So that monopoly should be explored in the market. And I thanks to Mr. Patra for his efforts and help to join this meeting. He always take care to investors in CSC, Spencer, RPSG Enterprises and SAREGAMA. And reward to investors, you had already rewarded by the way of split the shares and increase the market capitalization and return to the investors. And sir, radio is very popular and everyone is like your radio to say, hear the songs of all melody songs of Mukesh, Lataji, Asa and Manada. So you reach in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities with the SAREGAMA product. And last year, 75th AGM, we have missed you. And the MD has assured that we will consider something on the eve of 75th year. So this year, as a chairman, you are our custodian. We request you to consider something for the investors. Last year, you have missed to reward on the 75th year. And last but least, I wish to God to give you more success. Thank you.
Miss Celestine Elizabeth Mascarenas.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. I'm visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you all. Respected Chairman, Dr. Sanjeev Goenka, MD, Vikram Mehra, other members of the board, my dear fellow shareholders. I feel so delighted to attend this meeting online. If it was offline, I would have never come to Calcutta only. No? So it is keep continuing this way. At least I feel so nice. At least see you in the on this online platform. Thanks a lot. I thank the company secretary, Madam Priyanka Motani and her team for sending me an annual report and also registering me as a speaker at my request. Thank you so much. Our annual report, it is a filmy, it is so colorful. and lots of pictures, facts, and figures. Very informative and self-explanatory, but at the same time adhering to all the norms of corporate governance. Very good working. Revenues up, PBT PAT up, and a dividend of rupees 3, that is 300%, is very much appreciated, and also a very good good market cap. We can't ask you, last time you gave a split, so it has become like a mini bonus. Now I go to page 71. We earned good foreign exchange. I really congratulate you. Very good. 277,908.58 lakhs against using of the foreign exchange is very less. 6035. So we are very great company getting more of foreign exchange. Now my next question, how much revenue we get or will get in digital advertising and subscription? Third is now we are in a new domain launching operations in live music, events and artist management. What growth we have envisaged and the margins we will enjoy as the business will grow more and more. Fourth is our company is spinning its growth ambition on 3 pillars: monetizing the existing IP, creating new IP, and the direct to consumer retail business. Who is our main competitors and how we will face this competition? Rest under your leadership, guidance, I don't have to ask any question because you are one person conglomerate who always will reward at the right time. With this, I support all the resolutions.
Mr. Sanjay Nayak.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. I have got 3 to 4 questions. One is what new verticals are developed by SAREGAMA to grow the business? Then second one is kindly explain generative artificial intelligence technology and how it will improve company's performance in future. Also elaborate future growth plan of SAREGAMA India Limited and DigiDrive. And where do you expect SAREGAMA India down the line 5 years from now on growth rate CAGR? Also, thanks for introducing SAREGAMA online open stage platform. I have sung 8 to 10 songs on that particular platform, and it's a good platform. Congratulate for that. Thank you. Yeah.
Mr. Atanu Shah.
Just a moment, sir. Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good morning. I, Atanu Shah, a shareholder of SAREGAMA India Limited. My respective and vow of thanks, vow of respect to our Dr. Sanjeev Goenkaji and all our directors present in this meeting and independent directors and our company secretary and CFO and their total team, though inform me time to time. Sir, today is 31st August 2023. Our company organizing its 76th annual general meeting, sir. Sir, I already wrote some of questions. Thus I am thinking I repeat it or not. My previous shareholders already raised a beautiful gratis and some questions. So one question said related with that matter of caravan products, sir, mobile phone and caravan, the products which already in market. And related, another one is that Facebook relation with a deal. Sir, and how do we maintain the cash flow system and how do we influence FII? Sir, I wish a good year ahead with good result. And sir, one thing, sir, it is a 76. We are not get any momentum, sir. a matter of 75 years. So we are standing hand to hand, all shareholders and all stakeholders, standing hand to hand, surrounding our Saregama, our musical world, and wish we another 25 years. And in this day, I am just wishing. Thank you, sir. My respect, vote of thanks to everybody, sir. Have a good day. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bubna.
Sir, he is not present in the meeting.
Okay, thank you. So thank you, Mr. Gupta, Ms. Mascarenas, Mr. Nayak, Mr. Saha. Let me try and respond to the points raised by you all. First of all, thanks to all of you for your kind words and encouragement on our performance. Carvaan sales, we sold 5.61 lakh units last year as compared to 4 lakhs the previous year. So that's a fairly significant jump. Mr. Saha asked about cash flows. So fundamentally, let me just say that we're a debt-free company. We've got a pool of cash which we want to use for domain-led, value accretive, bottom line accretive acquisitions. The cash flows for the last year went by and large in terms of investing in new content, which is what is helping us grow. We've had great success with our new releases. We made rapid strides in regional music. We have a number of high views, songs with high views, and probably the highest number on that account. I'm delighted to hear that Mr. Nayak has a few of his songs, if I understood him correctly, on our platform. And we would look forward to having more such contribution. AI is a technology that can help us significantly in terms of analyzing consumer trends, in terms of responding to them fast, in terms of actually being able to adapt very quickly to the latest technology and trends. AI is evolving and it changes every day. And it gives us the ability to be fast and responsive to market situations. Both DigiDrive and Saregama have very ambitious plans, and we hope to continue our momentum of growth. As you are aware, our revenue has grown significantly at a CAGR rate. So have our bottom lines. Bottom lines, in fact, over the last 5 years have grown over 50% per year. And I think we will try and maintain aggressive trends as we go forward. Live events is something that we've entered. Disco Dancer met with resounding success. But initially, there is investment in these products. And it's only over a period of time that you can start actually monetizing this. Competition comes from all quarters. T-Series, of course, is a very major competitor. Sony Music is one. Tips is one. Universal is another. Regional labels are another lot of competition. Competition doesn't scare us. It doesn't faze us. We, in fact, thrive on competitive challenges. But what we pledge to do is we pledge and we are committed to being fair in our dealings. We cannot and will not take shortcuts. We will not allow a short-term momentary gain to cloud our thinking on implementation of our values, of our core values, of the core principles of honesty, of fair play, and of justice. Technology has enabled us to increase the depth, width, and breadth of our distribution, and we are going to take full advantage of that. There are ambitious plans on content, on IP creation, on Carvaan, and we will move ahead with each one of those. Thank you so much for all your participation and advice. The voting results will be announced within 2 working days from the conclusion of the AGM. It will be displayed on the notice board at the registered office of the company and will also be posted on the company's website and on the website of NSDL. Thank you so much for attending the meeting and your participation. I declare the meeting closed. All the very best. Stay well. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Goenka, Mrs. Goenka and Avarna, and all of the board members. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Sanjeev Goenka. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the 76th Annual General Meeting of SAREGAMA India Limited. In view of the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, and the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the meeting is